Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a given number is a prime number in JavaScript. Prime numbers are fundamental in mathematics, cryptography, and algorithm design. Let's explore an efficient way to determine if a number is a prime. Instead of checking divisibility for all numbers up to n, we only need to check up to the square root of n. This significantly improves performance for larger numbers. This function first eliminates numbers less than 2, then loops up to the square root of num to check for factors. If a number has any divisors apart from 1 and itself, it is not a prime. This approach ensures we only check necessary numbers, avoiding unnecessary iterations. The square root optimization makes it significantly faster than brute force methods. This method correctly identifies prime numbers while minimizing iterations. For example, 17 only requires checking up to 4 instead of numbers up to 17. Prime numbers play a crucial role in modern computing, encryption, and cryptography. They are fundamental in securing online transactions, optimizing algorithms, and designing efficient data structures. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to identify prime numbers efficiently using square root optimization for faster calculations. This method is widely used in mathematical computing, security, and data analysis. Try using these in your own projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.